We're live? Oh, yes, we are. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the stream. As you all know, the main purpose of the stream is just to help anybody else with any computer issues or problems that they might have. Or if you have any other questions, ask away in the chat. I'd be more than happy to answer your computer tech problem questions. As for me, as I'm always doing, I'm just fixing my own computer issues or problems. Oh, whoops, I forgot to add something here. I forgot to add the join the Discord. I need to fix that. Macias. Get it. Here it is. There we go. Copy that. And okay, there we go. Just paste that. There we go. That's pin. Perfect. Now I can continue what I was doing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn my script into an ISO. I wonder if it's gonna work with I just wonder. What's the number? 199. Here it is. This is the one. Let's see if I can turn it into an ISO. There we go. Yes. LFS data 177. There's the one. Okay. Sudo hard probe NBD 0 ls be okay. Then NBD 0. Okay, sweet, it's mounted. Awesome. Now I need to run the script. So I need to mount two things, I think. So I need to mount the main drive, which is number 3. NBD 0 P3 also need to mount boot. I think I need to mount this. Because if I don't do this, I think this is gonna work for BIOS. So I need to upgrade it. Let's test it out first. I need to make the script here. Where is my ISO script? Where is my ISO script? My ISO script, where are you? I think I added you in here. Oh no, wait, run one. No, it was here. Where are you? Is it in here? Ah, here it is. Here's the script. So I'm just gonna copy. Oh no, I don't need to copy it. I just need to make it. Let's just make it here. Where the heck is it? Where are you? I moved it. Did I move it? No, here it is. So, nano create LFS ISO. So let's create that here. I need this to be open. Here it is. There. chmod. There we go. Now let's see what it does. I don't remember how it actually works. Missing dependencies. Yeah, just don't crash my system. Oh god, I'm doing this in the main system. I don't think I should have done this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this. Oh wait, I have a better idea. I have a splendid better idea. Let's just unmount it again. Unmount. And B BDP3. There. Sudo camel device MBB0. Let's disconnect it. There we go. So now there shouldn't be anything. Awesome. Okay. I have another idea. Okay. Oh my god, I need the deck. Okay. Now let's make a fake ISO. Let's make a fake ISO. Put yourself right there. Fake ISO. And let's add this here. Volume main. Fake ISO. Only create an ISO. Save it to downloads. Name it fake ISO. And burn it. Complete. Awesome. Now we don't need this anymore. Now it's just add a hardware, add a CD, add the fake CD, downloads, fake ISO, there you are. Okay, so is this the, yeah, that's the base. So we need to enable both of these. Apply that. This is the cinnamon, so this one, yeah, okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, we don't need this, nor this. We need this to the right side. And, oh yeah, we don't need this for now. This can stay to this side. Let's be the administrator. Root, okay. ls, be okay. Okay, now I was just thinking, how in the hell did I did this last time? I remember that I had to, wait a minute. Let's take out what's in the fake ISO. Yeah, just drag it there. There it is. It's dragged. So here we have the disk. So we're gonna mount that disk. Mount VVV3 to mount point. Actually no, make directory like this here. Now let's mount VDV 3 to here. Alright, awesome. Okay, now we have that. Oh man, how was it that I needed to do this? Ah, yes, wait a minute. Let's open this up. Okay. Now that we have that, I think I should make it. You know what? Let's make it inside of the mounted. Maybe that would be better. Here's everything already. Let's see, so nano. Oh hey C-Tech, how you doing today, dude? LFS ISO SH. Mid showing guns. Oh well, I don't have it installed. I'm just using a live ISO to test something out. And I think what I just tested, it's not working correctly. I think for me to what I want to do, I think I need to install the system. How did I did this last time? I can't remember. How did I did this last time? Ah, wait, Mint gave me an idea. So disable this one. Enable the primary disk, which is this one. Apply that. Now let's launch it. There we go. Now this is an install system. trying to see if I can make this script work for UEFI to turn the system into an ISO, so I can boot it on a physical computer. I have like a test laptop that I could use it for right now. That's right, I created the user. Okay. Oh, hey, wait a minute. I can actually connect via SSH to do this. So this might be actually more easier now. I just need to know the IP. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's your IP, sweet. The 115. SSH. 15, 25, 117. Awesome. Now we don't need this. Okay, so now we just need to know the this. Oh, it's already mounted. That's right, I added so it does it automatically. So in this case, I would just need to create the script. So let's just copy it here. So in that case, nano create LFS ISO. Pretty sure I need to modify some stuff in here. There we go. That's modified. CH. Oh wait, where did I leave it? Oh, it's in there. Okay. CH mod. And there we go. Now let's see what it does. Let's see if it can install our dependencies that we need. It should install it with no issues. Yes, we know there are updates. Okay, repository loaded. Oh, it found them. Awesome. Let's see what happens next. Let's see. Okay, so it detected it. Okay, there it is. It found it. Copying kernel, creating the install script, generating it. Perfect, that's what we need. Okay, verifying clean mount contents. Perfect. Let's see if it actually works. Well, I know it works already because I tested it out, but I wonder if it's gonna work with the UEFI one. I only tested it with BIOS. I wonder. Pretty sure I gotta modify some stuff. Oh gosh. Yeah, looks like it's not doing anything, but it takes time. Like last time I tried to do this, just running this little script took around 15 or 20 minutes. So it's no surprise it's gonna take a little bit, basically. Returning your entire system. Oh. Okay. So I think it did it. Don't we want to burn this to a USB? Not yet. So we're gonna do it now. And there it is. I'm pretty sure this is gonna work just for BIOS, but I gotta test that out. So now I gotta get it out of here. Now I need to get that ISO out of there. So let's open our files via the network. Let's add them to here. Register user. Oh, you serious? Okay, then let's put it here. Let's open another one. I cannot open another one. Okay, where the heck is this? Is it in here? No. Where the hell did I put it? It's in here. So move that. Move that to /home and put it. Move that and put it in the downloads. There we go. There it is. I just need to copy that. And okay, fine, we don't have permission for that one. Paste. We do have permission for this one. There we go. It's out of there. So now I'm just gonna shut this off. And I'm going to attach it. Well, actually no, this is a test. Let's not break this one. Let's create a new machine. Let's make a new one with an ISO. Let's browse for it. So I added it. Where did I edit it? I think it was in here. Oh no, I added it to my mounts. That case would have been in the network. Should have been, let's see, my local host. Ah yes, here it is. So it's in my guide notes. I'm gonna just copy it. And I'm gonna put it in my downloads. There we go. So now downloads. Here it is. Open that up. Genetic. This is more like a testing, so honestly. Okay, choose the volume, selected it. ISO test, customize. Yes, use that one. Yeah, I don't really think it's gonna work for UEFI, but either way, I gotta try it out. It's in my head. So let's try UEFI for this demonstration. Make a big deal because we already have the drivers in it, so that really should not matter. Well, let's see what happens. Yep. It doesn't detect it. And that's alright. It doesn't work. That's expected. So let's make it again. ISO test, customize, Windows, finish. So we need to leave it at BIOS, apply that. Obviously we need this. And now let's begin the installation. There we go. Oh, whoops. Browse for it again. Here it is. Now let's try that again. It's loading. What the hell? Cannot open. Cannot open access to console. The root account is locked. What the hell? Why do you guys gotta make this so difficult? Are you for real? Access shell to continue. This is stupid. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. Oh man, are you serious? How do I fix this? How do I fix this? I need to find out how do I fix this. A bit of experience. I tend to do all of them at the same time. It's a nuisance. Well, looks like this is not gonna do anything. Looks like I'm gonna have to update it. That's a pain. That's a pain. Okay. Well, let's just, I'm just gonna have to update this script. Yep. Missing. Oh my goodness. Sounds like a lot. I guess that those are just people that are like really big fans, big fans. I think that just really depends on how the person is. I like all operating systems. I just like this one now more because I can just tinker around with it. I could literally just go back to Windows. I still have it, and just make a subsystem out of Linux and just use that. that's good. That's really good. I guess those are just people that are like really hardcore fans, like hardcore, and won't take like a change for anything. Like, no, this can do that, this can do that. No, no, it's not gonna work. They won't change the no to like, oh, maybe it will work if I try this system out. At least that's my opinion. Okay, I gotta change some stuff in here. I appreciate that. I guess everybody just has different personality. Where is this located? Oh, repo. Here it is. Okay, let's make a new one here. Let's put this tiny. Yeah, this is not gonna work. If I try to launch again this, you still got 28 lessons? That's so many, dude. I don't even know how you're awake. Or not even tired. Well, maybe you're a little bit tired. So it's just from all that studying for medicine. You must be exhausted. 28 hours. Jesus, that's a lot. Coffee like an addict. I can't stand coffee. I don't like coffee at all. I have tried all methods of coffee. Ice cream coffee, black, decaf, mochaccino, American, espresso, a milkshake, a candy. I don't remember the other ones, but something I have tried like everything. It's a necessity. I think you just want that caffeine. No, to me caffeine doesn't do anything to me. Yes. What? Unable to no. Yeah. What did I break? How did I broke it now? What's the Geneva Conventions? What is that? Oh. Huh. Good to know. Okay, I think I can understand where you're going at it. Oh crap, did I broke this? Dad jokes. You're alright, man. I think I broke this. No, that music, I have a mailbox. Whenever we receive mail, the mail person, when they open it, the music goes off. So we I think it might. That's basically whenever someone pulls up the mailbox, it'll ring a music, so we're alerted that, oh look, there's mail. I'm surprised that's nostalgic for you. That's coming from, but again, yeah, it's coming from a mailbox. I'm actually surprised you can hear that. This mic is really good. Yeah, then that just means we got mail from from the mail carrier. That's actually pretty neat. But now basically the mailbox has an attached like little wire. Every time it's pulled up, the music goes off, so everybody in the house is alerted that the mail just came. So we just go pick up the mail, and the music goes off again. We always have like different mail guys. It's never the same person. I'm pretty sure pretty sure they just put it in and they just continue throughout their day. They don't even notice. Though I could be wrong. Okay, we're connected. It's really uncommon. So where is that music? What is that music supposed to be? Since it gives you like nostalgia, what is that supposed to be? Like ice cream, something like that. Well, I am grateful you actually feel that. It reminds you of good stuff. But like, where does it actually come from to remind you about stuff like that? Like, cause here we have like certain songs that we know it from like kids, because they're like saying like the ice cream guy always put on the same song, or like a music festival, or I don't know, something like that. Trucks? Oh, interesting. Trucks. For you, it's trucks. That's curious. That's really curious. Where did I put it? Cheap Chinese toys. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Create ISO .sh. I understand that. Like when I hear something that I just really don't like it, then years pass on, and I'm like, oh, that song, I remember. Can't believe I forgot about it. Okay, let's see if it works now. Chmod. There it is. Remove the old ISO. Now let's see if how it creates it. Detected, okay. Obviously already has everything installed. Okay, verifying mount points. No cause to break, no mind to break, no will to break, no voice to cry, suffering. This is what I needed during the finale. And that is a good quote. I mean a good poem. Or at least it sounds good. It's like telling you to just to keep going forward, basically. Oh, it made it. If output equipment is provided but no directory, will merge into the ISO, a popular method. Warning, prepare USB stick on MS Windows relies on having ISO copy. So wait, it worked. A little bit doubtful, but let's see if it actually works. Network, here again. Oh no, wait, gotta go downloads, here it is. Copy, network, local. Paste. There's the new one. Okay. Now, let's try it out. We can shut this off. And ISO test. Is this UEFI? No, this is BIOS. That's BIOS. Let's make another one here. Browse. Where did I save it? God damn it. Ah, jeez, where did I? Oh, wait. Let's go back to the network. Pretty sure I saved it. I saved it here, right? Yes, here it is. 3 minutes ago, yes. Copy that. So I made it here. We can delete this one, which is the original. Oh no, access denied. Fine then. Let's just put it in the desktop for now. Paste. And there we go. And now let's choose an ISO, browse for it on the desktop. Here it is. Open it up. Generic. Let's give it a little memory and power. Product stuff. Let's do this one. And yeah, I want to use it. Customize the Windows. ISO test. UEFI. Finish. So UEFI needs to be. It's this one, right? Open my old notes. Here we go. So UEFI needs to be code. Yeah, this one. Code.bin. Awesome. So apply that. That's what we need. Bird.io. There's the this. This goes first. Apply. And begin installation. Aha! Install LFS, no password. It did not work. Okay. What do we get? Okay. You're afraid that you won't make it and you're afraid that you won't finish studying all and remember everything, or it's just too much? Um, if that's the case for you, sometimes whenever I try to learn something, I try to like I always have like a keyword for me, and I always use that, like that keyword to try to like remember it's something specific to you. Like as for me, honestly, me doing all this type of stuff, I literally don't remember anything. What I did yesterday, I just remember bits and bits. That's why I literally gotta do so many notes out of everything. That's why I gotta do notes. Because if I don't do this, I literally won't remember anything. So what has helped me, like remembering stuff, is just writing down like key things, or in this case, typing them. Like just what I'm doing here, taking notes. At least that for me, it has worked. I wouldn't say 100%, but like in a 70-30 or like in a 50-50% around there, it does help. But again, it takes time. Again, your topic is really something different and complicated. Like I think computers are complicated, but at the same time, I just gotta get like really imaginative. Like I literally gotta think. Like I always think, anything that's done in real life, and anything that you want to. Okay, no, the opposite. I said that wrong. Anything that you think it's impossible in real life, on a computer you can make it possible, because you just gotta think like in a creative way on how you do it. If you can't do it in real life, what you want to do, like say you want to build something very monstrous or something absurd, but you can think about it how to do it on a computer, then it's actually possible if you just think about it in your mind. At least that's how I like to think. But again, I always rely on my notes, as I really don't like to take notes. I always am like, I know it in my head, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna remember it. But in reality, I don't remember everything. That's why I just gotta take so many notes. Running a marathon. Yikes. Well, then they never said it was gonna be easy. That's something that I had to learn for myself and for anything. It's just, it's always gonna be hard. Once you find the trick to it, it just makes sense to you. It won't make sense to anybody else. That's why I can do what I can do. I just do something, or whatever it is you're doing. If you feel that it brings you like just joy and achievement that you did this, then I do think that you're going down the right path. Okay, so this won't work. No, that's... What did I do? I did not want to save it. Let's try this one more time. Okay. We're connected. Put that in the big screen. Now let's update again the script. Remove ISO build. Remove LFS ISO. There we go. Now let's update this. And let's run it. While that runs, let me just delete the one from here. Delete. Oh no, access denied. Access denied. Whatever shall I do? Where's my terminal? Oh, okay. Configuring UEFI boot, creating image. Oh, it did it. Well, that was quicker than I thought. Remove. Yeah, there we go. No, we don't want to make the ISO. Okay, perfect. Now let's just open this again. Files. Network. Yeah, go here again. No, wait. Where did I save it? Oh yeah, downloads. I'll just wait. Just copy. Network. Go here. ISO. Of course I don't. And there we go, copying it. Awesome. Now we can just minimize this. Now here's the test again. Now let's just put the new CD inside of it. Here it is. And this detected already? Yes it is. Yep, that's the test. And run it. Okay. Grab loader, kernel doesn't support EFI handler. Crud. Okay, so it's still loading. That's good news, at least. But now we have a different error. I gotta fix that. Okay, so let's just turn this off, minimize that, and do the same thing here. Remove this one again, and now, oh yeah, open another. We're here again, so let's just update again the script. Let's run it. Odd. There's an error. Okay, I need to modify some parts here. Save this as Kraylin's household. This is going to be version 5. Okay. Okay then, now let's see if the new one works. Enter the default location. Yeah, that's the default location, alright. hybrid. Line 42. What's up in line 42? Oh hey Tabras, I'm doing alright. How's your day going? What the hell? You have a headache? Honestly, if I do get sick myself, I don't know why, but I could be sick, coughing, could cut myself or anything, but I cannot stand headaches. I despise having headaches. I honestly can't stand them myself. So it's glad you're doing alright. Sometimes I'll try like those little pills to relieve headaches. Almost 90% of the time they don't work. It's odd that it will work. Sometimes I feel when I do have headaches, it means that I'm not doing a lot of stuff. And if I don't do stops, I'll get headaches. It's rare, but at least that's for me. Oh no, I finished it. It works. What I did do is what I'm doing now is I'm just fixing the script to turn it into an ISO. Like the other script, it works. I'm currently making a video about it. I'm still editing the video because I just recorded the entire process. Because honestly, the script takes around 2.5 hours to literally finish. So I did that last night. I'm doing editing on this computer. So I'm taking like a break from editing for a little bit. So I'm just doing the live stream, and then maybe later today I'll just try to finish the editing and put a new video out and put the GitHub repository public so you guys can try out the script. just been doing a lot of editing on that and also on the GitHub. Like I still have it here, the GitHub, where is it? Here it is. Like it's right here, but again I have it private, so I'm just still editing a lot of stuff. There's already like a lot of information on how it actually works and where to get it. So yeah, I'm still doing that. It's gonna take me a little bit, because I'm gonna make it public once I release the video, so I can just attach the video like, okay, here you can see the guide here on how to do it yourself. This is just my experience. It's not like 100% perfect because you still gotta do like some fixes, but it will work. I'm glad you are. So I just need to save that for now. I'll do some more editing later today. Like I might not stream I might maybe stream for maybe 2 more hours today. Oh, 3D printer. Okay, dude, take your time. Checking dependencies, okay. Let's see if it works. Okay. There it is, it's creating the EFI. Okay. Okay, so I think it did it. Now let's see if this is the winner. Messend NG. Not sure how I pronounce your name. Should I install my 4 terabyte SSD from Temu into my brand new PC? Well, do you want to use that SSD for your main storage, or for extra storage, dude? Oh, to store your games? Oh, okay, so you're gonna use it for an internal storage. Is that an external storage or internal that you put it inside the computer? Internal? Okay. Well, you could just install it on the system, and if you wanna see if it actually works accurate how it was advertised, you could run a speed test, like run write speeds and read speeds to see if the speeds that it was advertised are actually correct. Oh, hey Siri, it didn't? I think that was my bad. That was my mistake, man. I think I didn't turn on the pod. Oh, it is turned on. Oh, the speed things. If you're using Windows, you could use this app. Oh god, what was the name again? Check. Crystal Mark. This, I think it's called. I think it's this one. Yes. Okay, so this one. So this app tells you the speeds. Like you can run speed tests and just see if they're actually accurate and not like fake speeds that were promoted. Just to see how fast it is, because usually an SSD, their supposed speeds, if you go into the sides, are like, let's say if we want to buy an SSD right now. Okay, here's an SSD. So this one, their supposed speed are almost always around 500 megabytes or 700 megabytes. So this one, okay, here it is. So this one has a read speed of 512 supposedly, and to write stuff in it, 430. But if you do buy like NVMe drives, they're basically 10 times faster. Like say this one for example. So they're advertising here that this one has speeds of 7,000 megabytes. And write speeds of 6,000. So that's basically 7 gigabytes and 6 gigabytes of speed. But since you bought it off Temu, so the speeds might not be accurate from the ones that they advertise. So I would use this program just to test it out. Like just run it with different tests, and let's do a test of 1 gigabyte. Let's see how fast it reads, 2 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes, and just test it out. If you want to be sure about it. I hope you're doing all right, Siri. But this is the program, Crystal This Mark, if you're using Windows. It's a free program. You bought a Samsung 990 Pro? So you actually bought one of these? Either way, like just to be more accurate on it, I would suggest you just to run the program and see what speeds it reads. Like if I want to be more accurate on the speeds, I would just go directly to the manufacturer site, look up the name of the drive, and see what's the actual name. I mean, what's the actual speed on the manufacturer side. In this case, it's a Samsung. Look up for Samsung and it should pop up. Yeah, but that's what I would do if you want to be sure about it. Like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna work, but that's just it. What's the name of the website? To get this program, you mean? Yeah. It's Crystal Mark. Back here, I'll even leave a link. You can even join our Discord server if you want. I'll leave it there as well. Sure did. Good luck, honestly. I hope it works out for you from Temu. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the ISO. What are you printing, Tabras? Or were you just checking it out, like if something went damaged? Sweet. Hey, that's a neat idea. Hooks. Some little hooks. That's a neat idea. I usually use zip ties, and I put it like under like my cable management is horrible. I can't stand it. Wait, which item is this one? Yeah, this is the one that I need to do. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. It doesn't work. Doesn't work. Oh, okay, cool. I heard that those things take like hours to make, depending how big is it. God damn it. Doesn't want to work. Say rescue shot. Not even that works. E. What if I take this off? That's even worse. There has to be the pad, the pad, there's a pad. No matter, I just gotta recreate it again. Remove. Okay guys, give me a few minutes, I'll be right back. I need to go to the bathroom. Be right back guys. guys, I am back. I am back. I haven't returned. Ouch. Chair, you keep pulling my leg hairs. Ow, that hurt. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Now we were gonna modify it. Yes, this. Let's modify again the script. Delete all this again. Version 5, I wonder. Okay, let's just copy the new information. And let's run it again. It's gonna be the default. This is what we want. We want to choose BIOS, both. Important, to boot via BIOS, your kernel must be compiled with. If you see kernel doesn't work, check your kernel configuration. I need to check that. And see if that's actually true. So now we're seeing what saves more time. There's a tie. Shortcut experience, 22% scripts. Sweet. Oh, no, wait. Our kernel already has this. So we're good. Now it's making the BIOS. Sweet. Let's see if it works. That was pretty quick. There's the new one. Now let's just export that to here it is. Copy that. To our desktop again. Paste that in there. Let's copy. There it is again. Now let's turn on again the UEFI BIOS one. Oh, it's already selected, yeah. Okay, now let's see if it works. And same thing. Are we sure it didn't replace it? Mm-hmm. It's like FMAF. I have to survive until the morning without any sleep or lose strategy. I think you just might need to have a big long rest. I heard about it, Five Nights at Freddy. Never caught my interest. I try to make it like cut my interest, but it just wasn't that good to me. It has to be something that I'm doing wrong. It has to be something that I'm doing wrong. Could you please open the terminal here? Please open the terminal. There has to be something. There has to be something that's just not going right. Remove that one. Okay, so the ISO it's creating. No, wait, let's mount the ISO. Let's do a comparison. Let's wait, I have a better idea. Let's do a comparison here. How does one create a bootable Linux ISO for UEFI and BIOS? Okay, so that's added to the script. Keynotes. ISO hybrid to enable BIOS boot structure into the ISO. The EFI must be factored in and contain the boot x64 configurable modes. So grab needs to be configured. So I think in here, I think I need to configure something specific here. So, okay, let me check manually, I gotta check this. So it takes the BIOS E. It takes that. I know that this system that I made, I enabled this, so that's not an issue. This doesn't make any sense. Okay. This doesn't make any sense. I think this might actually be my issue. Okay, I think this little part gave me an idea. Let's enable this again. Sure, bit of take your time, dude. Good luck. I wish I was a programmer, Siri. I still don't feel like one because I don't understand much of what I'm doing. You guys are giving me more confident on doing that. I shouldn't. Programming course. Like, man, like the last time that I try to, like, this is what I read. If I go into my YouTube, what was the last time? Where was it? So, where the hell is it? I was literally reading this. I was watching this video. And then I watched this one, which was really helpful. But my god, it confused me a little bit. Like, I still don't have the main idea on how to actually program something. I just want to learn C. I don't care about anything else. I just want to learn C. C. I've been using these videos, but this one's a little bit confusing. This one is actually more, what's the word I'm looking for? More understandable. But yeah. Years ago, but I haven't used it since, and I did some projects on Arduino. Yes, that's true. I did, like, others told me to use Python. Yes, that's what they told me, to use Python. I try to use Python. it's still a little bit confusing. Like my idea is still that what's my issue? I need a problem. I need something, and then I'll try to code it out. It's just so confusing. Python is considered easy for beginners. Oh my god, that blows my mind. That literally blows my mind that that's easy for beginners. Your problem is the screen doesn't say hello world. That's the first problem. The second problem is it doesn't say hello Jeff. Easy. I feel that that's what I'm missing. Like I learned so much about IT information fundamentals, information technology. I learned so much about information technology. I should learn about programming fundamentals. But it still blows my mind. Maybe I should start with that. Fundamentals of C. I think this is where I should start learning. This is where I should literally start learning fundamentals. Build up your C programming skill. I think this is where I should literally start. Fundamentals of C. I think I should just start reading these areas. What was I doing? Oh yeah, updating this. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen. I can do some kind of understanding for coding in a fun way. In a fun way? I don't know why, but that you said what you just said right now makes me want to giggle for some reason. It makes me want to giggle like in a fun way. Think of coding as creative life. That's what I'm freaking thinking right now. I'm sorry. There's not a fun way. I don't know, man. I do see it like in some terms there is like a fun thing about it. I just don't see it. I just need that moment in my life that it clicks in my brain. I'm like, I understand what the hell am I reading. I know this does this does that. I'm not at that level of understanding. Maybe it might be fun later for me. I gotta do more projects about that. Oops. I do think it's fun in a way. I just don't know how to think about it yet. I had someone in my class that didn't use any spaces or anything to format his code. If you try to read it to find an error, your eyes would... What the hell? That didn't use spaces for anything? You're... Oh my god, why did that make me laugh? I don't know why, but that made me laugh. I gotta read that again. I have someone in my classes that didn't use any spaces or anything to format his code. I tried to read it to find error. Your eyes would literally scream at you. What the heck? Ah my god, I feel that I'm missing programming humor right now. Oh god, I needed that laugh. Did I delete this one? There we go. You know what? Let's open it. Oh, here we are. Let's select it. Show me the money. to be one of the boot sections. It has to be one of the boot sections. It has to be one of the boot sections. It has to be one of the boot sections. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing wrong? Okay, I need to check this out. Okay, first off, remove the sources. We don't need nothing of this. I need to read. 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 Configuration, colors, log. Yes. Enter the location. Boot mode. If mount point. This is already compiled. I think I see an error already. This section. No, that's not it. Where the hell is it? No, that's not it. Kernel pad, the mount, the boot. Wait, hold up a minute. Wait. I think this is what I'm looking for. Side by side. side by side. SSH 15 15 25 117. Oh god, sorry. Okay, I think I figured it out. So it's looking. Where the hell did I saw it? Where did I saw it? Where did I saw it? Where did I saw it? Oh, I lost it. I just saw it right now. I just saw it right now. Ah, kernel pad. Find in the Linux mount the boot and the name VM Linux. So it's looking. Okay, it's looking for this file. Okay. Okay, so that's fine. Okay. Okay, whatever. Let's try. I deleted it. W3 schools. I am gonna bookmark this page. Thank you, Siri. I just saw the message right now. I'm gonna bookmark this page. Oh, what happened? Okay, here we go again. E to E at some point. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna do this. If I do start reading that, I'm gonna have to take a week off, at least a week of streaming and focus on that. At least a week. It says focus, nothing else. I did already make like the video for something for the Linux the Linux from scratch automatic script. I finished making the video yesterday. I'm editing it right now later, so I might do that later and then make the repository public so you guys can try it out. What was I doing? Oh yeah, getting my life together with this. Here it is. Cut. Go back here. There it is. Minimize. What the hell is this? Why? Why did it boot it like this? Press E. What is it trying to boot now? Loading kernel. Damn it. Okay, I broke it. Oh, I keep breaking it anymore. Okay, I don't know why, but I'm getting a headache, and it's annoying me. I cannot work correctly with a headache. Okay, I need to try something different. I need to try something different. I need to look up something different. Give me this, 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 give me this one. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Next page. Give me that. Give me this. Oh. What is this? And this page. Okay, let's read. Reading is the problem. Let's install Linux to USB. If installing UEFI, the target will be directory, code select, mount, no, no, next topic. No. And we're creating the ISO with this command. Custom. You could use, sorry, I don't remember why, but I think this is not possible with this hybrid. This will produce a hybrid MRB. Is that so? I need this page. And I need this. ISO hybrid MBR. User live system, okay. Something like that. Let's look at this. What else is in here? Nothing else. ISO hybrid created by the command. We go into articles. Means the Perl in. Okay, yeah, my build has that installed. Okay, what else? Age, number of geometry heads. What the hell, geometry? Specify partition entry number. Oh my god. Okay, UEFI. Huh? Why are you even trying this anyway? Who will care about making an install that works on both BIOS and UEFI? Honestly, I just want to try to do it. Just have the options. If not, I'll just do like a little pause and just do something else. Like like in my head it comes like, okay, if somebody hasn't done it or made a video about it or even a script about it, then it comes to my head, okay, then maybe I should try it out. Because I do already have one that works just for BIOS. So I'm just thinking in my head, then why not both? So that way we have both options. But again, this is just for anybody who wants to do like tests. Me, I just want to test that out and works. And the other thing that I do actually want to do it as well is that, what's the name? Yeah, I have like an old laptop that's UEFI only, and I want to install it on my laptop. I did install on my other old laptop that is just BIOS, the Linux that I made, and it's literally running, but it doesn't have anything to get like files from the internet. So this new one does have wget to get files. So I don't know, I just want to turn it like into my own little stuff and just use that for now. I just want to like keep adding more stuff to it, I guess. Yeah, like basically I want the ISO so it has the options like, okay, if you only have a system that's BIOS, it will boot into BIOS. If you have UEFI, then it will boot to UEFI. That's what I want to do. Because I do have an older script that works, but only for BIOS. So that's why I'm trying to do this one for UEFI. So the script has option for BIOS and for UEFI. And also I just think it might be like, maybe it might be helpful to anybody else who wants to try it out. And just be literally with their laptop and just be running around with their own distro already. Just, I don't know, I just think it might be cool. Even if it is complicated. Like, hell, if you want to even complicate more of the script and add more stuff, then yeah, go ahead. I might update it later on, if I wanted to. Not make another video, just update it later on. Making a single install for both would be difficult and or impossible. You could be right, but I must try. Because it makes me think like when you get the Linux Mint, Ubuntu, those ISO already have, you can put them in BIOS or UEFI. So I'm just here thinking that, okay, well, that means I can make it, turn that Linux from scratch bootable and have the options BIOS or UEFI. Because if they can do it, then we can do it as well. Oh, I see, okay. Well, I'm gonna try it either way. I'm gonna get all this information here. G-Target. No, this is not what I'm looking for. Okay, I'm gonna take a pause of this and I'm gonna try the script again. Okay, let's see how it does it now. Okay. Oh shoot. Huh? I'm really wrong, huh? It's totally possible. ArcWiki even has that in its guide on how to install on a USB stick. Really? Huh. Let's check that out. Oh, wait, I finished. Okay, wait, I'll read that, let me see. Let's see if it works now. In both modes? Maybe it's similar to the fix that I have. That I have a fix for both BIOS and UEFI once you install the system. But if you just do the UEFI, it fixes the BIOS one. You just gotta delete the entry. Like, again, it's the floppy entry. I don't know why it does that. It's so odd. There we go. Wait a minute. Okay. So that still didn't work. Let's just... What the hell? If you have another Linux computer... One moment, guys. Okay, guys. Give me a few minutes, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go on a break. Be right back, guys. Okay guys, I am back. Sorry for that long wait. I think I have an idea now. Had to, was making myself some food that I'm gonna eat later. Maybe I could add this to it. can't read. I got too much of a headache. Okay guys, I'm gonna actually cut the stream short today. I have too much of a headache. I thought I was gonna handle it. So either way, I do appreciate everybody just seeing the stream, just interacting and just being here at the row and giving me some help and some guidance on stuff that I don't know 100% of what I'm doing, even though I do know just some things. I hope to see you guys on the next stream. As always guys, I hope you have a good one. Thank you Siri, you enjoy the rest of the day dude, you have a good one. That's it again. Thank you again guys, enjoy the rest of the day. Bye guys, thank you for the support, you have a good one today. Bye.